Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to study about infinitives in English. So infinitives are non-finite verbs. That means they are not restricted by number, person or tense in the sentence. In other words, we can say that infinitives are the verbs that do not change their forms according to the number, person in the sentence. So basically we have two type of infinitive in English. Two infinitives, that is to plus base form of the verb, and bare infinitives, that is base form of the verb without to. So in this video today we will focus on only two infinitives and we will know the function of two infinitive. So let's start the video. Two infinitives work like noun or an adverb or an adjective in the sentence. So firstly we will see like noun in the sentence. What are the function of two infinitive? So like noun, two infinitive functions like subject in the sentence. So for example we can say to exercise daily is a healthy habit, or to learn English is easy. Now see in the examples, to exercise is infinitive and to learn is also infinitive. So these are infinitives and they are functioning as subject in the sentence. Like noun, they are working in this sentence at the place of subject. Infinitives can function as an object of a transitive verb also. So we will see in the example, but let me tell you that these expression what I have written here, they are very formal, but in today's English, in common English, we express this type of expression in other ways. So we can say the first sentence that it is a healthy habit to exercise daily. The second sentence can be made, it is easy to learn English. So commonly people make this type of express this type of expression like this way, not this way, because these are very formal. Adjective, so I was telling that non-finite verbs consist two infinitives and two infinitive can function as an object of the transitive verb. So let's see by example. Like noun, adjective can function as an object of transitive verb. So they wanted to wait, and in next example we can say I do not like to read. So in these sentences, to wait and to read, they are working as an object in this sentence it is object of the verb wanted, and to learn is the object of like. So infinitives can function as object of the transitive verb. Infinitive can also functions like direct object in the sentence if the verb has two objects. We can say by example, my mother told me to study. And in other example, we convinced Neha to dance. Here to study and to dance, they are used as direct object in the sentence. You can see here Neha and me are indirect object in the sentence. The verb has two object, indirect object and direct object, so they are functioning as direct object in the sentence. Infinitives can work as complement of the sentence also, complement of verb also, means they can give extra information about the subject. So let's see by example. If I say his ambition is to become a doctor, or in other examples, if I say her greatest wish was to dance. So in these sentences, to dance and to become, they are giving extra information about the subject, so they are completing the sense of the sentence, so they are complement in this sentence, so they can function as complement in the sentence. Let's see now how to infinitive can function like an adverb in the sentence. To infinitive can function like adverb in the sentence if they are qualifying verb or adjective in the sentence, so they function as adverb in the sentence. We can see by examples. He called to talk to his mother. Or he was eager to learn. So here see, to talk and to learn, they are giving some extra information about. In first sentence, to talk is giving extra information called, and to learn is giving some extra information about eager. So called is a verb, so this infinitive is qualifying a verb, so it is functioning like an adverb in the sentence. Now in the second sentence, to learn is qualifying an adjective, that is eager, so it is also working like an adverb in the sentence. Adjective can function like these two infinitives can function like adjective also. Let's see by a few example. This is not the time to joke. Or if I say this is not a place to play. So here to joke and to play are giving some extra information about noun. Here time is noun and it is giving some extra information about time, noun, and to play is giving some extra information about a noun, that is place. So these infinitives are giving some extra information about noun, so they are functioning as adjective in the sentence. So these are the function of to infinitive in the sentence. I am repeating once again, adjective can function like subject in the sentence. Not adjective, to infinitive can function like subject in the sentence. To infinitive can function like object of transitive verb or direct object if the verb had two objects. Adjective, these two infinitives can function like complement of the sentence. These two infinitives can function like adverb also if they qualify a verb or adjective, so they are called adverb. These two infinitive can function like adjective also. You can see here, if they qualify, they give extra information about nouns. So today we have completed to infinitive. In the next video we will see bare infinitive and we will see the verbs that are not used to infinitive, with whom we don't use to infinitives, we use bare infinitive. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.